Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to set up your 2FA on crypto.com. It's really simple. So open up your crypto.com from here, enter your passcode as usual, and then right here you go to the home page, and then from there you go to the top left corner with the hamburger button, and then scroll down, look for settings. Once you have located your settings, you want to go to the security tab right here, and then two-factor authentication. It says press that, enable it. It will prompt you to again open your passcode from there, and then once you've done that, all you have to do is install Google Authenticator or a similar app like this, and then you can copy this code right here basically, and then paste it there. And then once you have done that, you can proceed to verify, and it'll give you your 2FA code right there that you can copy and then place it here right here. So I use Binance Authenticator from here. So I don't know where it's hit. So Authenticator. So there. Authenticator. So it uses the same principle. So I can add that right here. Manual entry, the key, and then let's just say coin. Wait, it's crypto.com, isn't? Yeah, crypto.com. So crypto.com account, blah 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 blah, continue. And then from there we can actually copy that right here. So let's go back to the application and then verify it, continue, and now you have done it. And it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that is how you set up your 2FA on crypto.com.